Hi, welcome to my channel, Milton's Corner. My name is Milton. I live in Hollywood, Florida, my hometown. Today I'm going to show you how to take the push start switch out of this, what year is this thing? 18 Honda Pilot. Here we go. First of all, you drill right in the center of it. Okay. Next step. Shit, where's my by using a slide hammer. Not a heavy duty one, but what is this? Maybe what, a 2-3 pounder? Gently. You're hurting yourself. That's out. Now you gotta get your needle nose pliers. Next step is pry the little locking tabs out of the way with 2 pocket screwdrivers. Almost. Now what you want to do is put a pocket screwdriver behind it so that
we don't want to lose the wires.
So you don't lose the harness. Like this.
Make sure you're upright. There's got words on it.
You sure it works? There you go. Under 10 minutes, we got this thing done. Usually warranty pays what, 0.3. You got to dismantle this whole thing. This vessel right here, this here. Yeah, we'll still have to secure that.
Done?
So we got it done in 10 minutes.
Done?
Till the next one, guys.
One more point.
Yeah, that one up.